Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Class 9th Subject Physics, Unit number 6, Work and Energy. Today is our topic, Major Sources of Energy. Last time we have discussed some important energy sources. Today the new one is that so energy from the biomass. Energy from the biomass. Biomass is a plant or animal waste that can be burnt as a fuel. Other forms of a biomass are a garbage, farm wastes, sugarcane, and other plants. These wastes are used to run power plants, and many industries that use forest products get half of their energy by burning bark and other wood wastes. And biomass can serve as another energy sources, but problems are there in its use. We have not a proper way to use the dung of animal junk, other solid wastes are like you can say that food wastes and plants wastes. These are the uh, product which we can use to create a source by which we can get energy. So when animals dung, dead plants and dead animals decompose, they give off a mixture of a methane and carbon dioxide. Electricity can be generated by the burning of a methane. Now the new one topic is that mass energy equation. Mass energy equation, firstly, it was detected by the scientist that named Einstein, and Einstein predicted the interconversion of matter and energy. So, according to him, a loss in the mass of a body provides a lot of energy. Here we can see that, in other words, a small packet of a mass can give a lot amount of energy. So this happens in a nuclear reactions. The relations between the mass and the energy is given by the Einstein's mass energy equation. So here is the mass energy equation is equal to mc square. A is equal to energy, m is equal is denoted by the mass of the body, and c is the speed of a light, and that is equal to 3 multiplied by 10 ki base 8 meter per second. That is the speed of light. So equation shows tremendous amount of energy can be obtained from a small quantity of a matter. So it appears that matter is a highly concentrated from energy. The process of getting energy from our nuclear power plant is based on the above equation. The process is taking place on the sun and stars for the last millions of years. Only a few small fraction of the sun's energy reaches the earth. This is very small fraction of the sun's energy is responsible for life on the earth. So if we learned about the reactions of Fian reactions and Furan reactions. Here we have a uranium atom, and small alpha particle is bombarded on them, and we get a large amount of energy. So these are the some common examples, and by this equation we can get that how much is a loss in mass can give the lot amount of energy. So this is our topic.